Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware limits. GPU, cable, and monitor specs determine maximum bandwidth. Once done, record the current resolution, refresh rate, and color depth so you have a baseline. Make sure you have latest GPU drivers installed, and then open the driver's custom resolution tool or monitor control app. This first step prevents chasing impossible settings. You're reducing variables. Now that prerequisites are checked, proceed to calculate the target pixel clock and plan a slightly lower refresh rate if bandwidth is tight. You now calculate the required pixel clock and compare it to your available bandwidth. Width times height times refresh rate with a blanking margin gives a close estimate. Once calculated, decide which parameter to relax, drop refresh rate, reduce color depth from 10-bit to 8-bit, or choose chroma subsampling like 422 to cut throughput. Then use CVTRB or reduced blanking timing presets in the custom resolution editor. Input the safe timings and save the profile. Testing at lower settings validates the math before committing. You apply the custom profile and then test it immediately. Make sure the image is stable, no flicker, and UI scales correctly. If the monitor loses signal, revert to the previous profile or boot in safe mode to restore settings, because persistence prevents bricking. If problems persist, swap to a higher spec cable or different port, or lower refresh rate and color depth further. One key troubleshooting tip: increasing reduced blanking or using DisplayPort over HDMI often resolves bandwidth limits without sacrificing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.